I'm a sous chef here at Dirt Candy, and today we are going to make the Spring Roll Rangoon. So it starts with a salad. Here we have some torn zucchini. It is the byproduct of the zucchini roll making process. And then we also add in some bamboo, as well as some fresh peeled and minced garlic, a little bit of chopped bean sprouts. And then we add in a mix of herbs. So we have Thai basil, cilantro, scallions, and mint here. And then to finish it, we add fresh squash blossoms. And then we have a dressing here that is made with a vegan fish sauce, as well as Thai chilies, a little bit of palm sugar, and lime juice. Throw a little bit of that in the bowl. Then just mix it gently. And then we grab our ring here. Put it in the center of our plate. Throw in some salad. Then we take our shell, which has been made out of zucchini. We deep fried it. It gets just a small amount of cornstarch on it, and then it makes this beautiful, almost wonton-like shell. And then we also make a cream cheese with Thai chilies and squash blossoms. There's more zucchini, tons of white pepper to be kind of like the crab rangoon filling. And we just fill both sides like that. Make sure it's flat. Place it right on top of our salad. And then if we didn't have enough fresh herbs already, we put a little bit of micro Thai basil right on top. And here is the Zucchini Spring Roll Rangoon.